A Gaston County school had so many kids out sick with the flu or strep throat that they shut down for 2 days.
And when the kids come back tomorrow, they will have to be screened for symptoms before they're allowed back in the classroom. Now, Gaston County reporter Ken Lemon live at Cramerton Christian Academy tonight. Ken, tell us about this screening they plan to do.
Well, what will happen is teachers will stand at the door of each classroom and they will carefully watch every student that comes in. Anyone showing signs of illness may be sent home. The administrator said they can't afford to let this problem continue. Teachers and staff spent the last 2 days at Cramerton Christian Academy disinfecting everything on campus.
Locker doors, classroom doors, pencil sharpeners, all of those things.
Last week, the school of 400 students had 35 to 40 out sick every day. They thought those numbers would diminish over the weekend. Instead, Monday, 75 students were out with strep or the flu. That's 20% of the student body. School officials even sent some students home. The administrator worried it could get worse.
I've been in education for 30 years, and this is the first time we've ever had this level of absenteeism.
So she decided to send all students home, from high school students to newborns in daycare. She said it didn't help to continue since so many seats were empty and some teachers were sick too.
You can't cover new material if, 30% of that particular class is absent.
We checked with the Gaston County Health Department. They said several public schools have reported cases of 2 or more students sick with the flu, but nothing like this. The co-owner of Medical Center Pharmacy said in the past week they've seen an increase in antibiotics prescribed.
This is the time that the flu bug usually hits. Sometimes March is even worse than December and January.
Now, as staff cleans up here, parents are also asked to do some cleaning, disinfecting book bags and lunch boxes. I spoke with health officials who say if you haven't gotten a flu shot already, it is not too late. They say it may be the best line of defense, Erica.
Yeah, and this is serious because it's rare that we hear about schools closed down because of these illnesses. Thank you, Ken, for that update. And this school, not alone, because just last week we talked about Caldwell County schools. They showed us there how they are sanitizing the classrooms with so many viruses going around right now. They told us that there have been times this winter when they've had as much as 20% of the student body out sick.